everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is all about this new beautiful set that I received from Missubeauty. It's a gel polish set and it's the limited edition Sugar and Spice gel polish set. So the first one we have here is Sugar and Spice 01. Then we've got Sugar and Spice 03. Then we've got Sugar and Spice 02. And then we've got Sugar and Spice 04. And then lastly, but not least, we've got Sugar and Spice 05. So what I'm going to do with this set is I'm going to swatch them all for you all to see. I'm going to do them in number order as well. And I'm going to do two coats of the colour on my swatches. Cure each coat for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and I am going to also put a top coat on them which I cure for 60 seconds, and I'm going to label them up and I'm going to show you pictures of them. So enjoy! So coming to the end of this video now, and I just wanted to say a few things. So this limited edition set is £60 plus VAT on the website. You can actually apply my coupon, my discount code, sorry, Beautified10, and you can get 10% discount on this set. And I am thoroughly in love with it, and it is just perfect for this time of year. I know everybody will be wanting to do Christmas nails, etc. And I just think that this set is just amazing, just in time for this time of year. So yeah, go check them out, guys. I will leave you the link in the description box to these items and along with my discount codes. So thank you so much for watching this week, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.